Hi, my name is Michelle Maison, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Keto Breads before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Keto Breads is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Keto Breads, because Keto Breads is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Keto Breads, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Keto Breads works. Keto Breads is a guide formulated by Kelley Herring. The expert combines 35 most effective and easy-to-follow keto-friendly bread recipes that enable consumers to find alternative types of bread. Most recipes have ingredients that make keto-friendly, low-carb, and wheat-free types of bread. As a result, consumers can make grain-free bread that's all-encompassing of beneficial ingredients for wellness. The creator of the guide claims that the recipes have no compounds in the ordinary bread, which trigger addiction to brain receptors. This copy enables consumers to take healthy bread that doesn't make them addicted to carbs. Keto Breads creator claims that consumers can enjoy different tastes without fear of unexpected weight gain. The cookbook has essential ingredients that boost metabolism and enable consumers to lose weight. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Keto Breads, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Keto Breads for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Keto Breads from, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Keto Breads helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.